How to log in to TikTok Lite account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to TikTok Lite account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. TikTok Lite is a much lighter version of TikTok that is designed for users in countries with slower internet speeds. TikTok Lite is also less resource intensive, so it does not drain your phone's battery as quickly. To log in to TikTok Lite, go ahead and open the TikTok Lite application on your device. You will see the option for log in, tap on that. You will then be shown with the options that you can log in to TikTok with. You can log in using your phone, your email, your username, your Facebook account, Apple account, Google account, Twitter account, or your Instagram account. I will log in using my username. So if you are also logging in with a username too, then tap on the use phone, email, or username option. You will then be required to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and enter the login credentials, that is your email or username and your password, and tap on the login button, and with this, you will be successfully logged in to your TikTok Lite account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.